like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my.
We are in Newcastle. He used to study here, and we are actually here for a friend's wedding. Also, we just met up with them and a couple of friends, and we had fish and chips near the beach. And I just got bubble tea. Haven't had some in a long time. Yeah, I'm actually cheating. It's not 30 days in France, but whatever. So.
Shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child.
A bit sweet, but good. My Airbnb host has this little game lying around called poo curling. So I set it up. What does that mean? So there's like a lighter pool and there's a darker pool. So there's two teams. Missed that one. Which team is winning though? Pretty good. Got it. We are going to Gino's at the quayside for lunch now. And Gino is one of Sid's favorite chefs, so that's why we are going there. And the food has pretty good ratings as well, so we are going to go. And after lunch we are going to walk around the city. And yeah, I'm super hungry. I've not decided what I want to eat, but we'll see.
The days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love.
We came to this mall called Eldon Square to get some stuff, and now we are just going to walk around. And yeah, it was so hot in the mall, and now I feel cold, but not so cold, so I'm just gonna leave my jacket off for now. Where are we going? Oh, there's a dental clinic there, look. What's your last name? I'm buying this book so I can read it on the flight. So one thing I noticed is that there is a Greg like every 50 meters. It's like so many. I've seen like 10 already. And here's one. Here's one of the Gregs. And I will be filming all the Gregs that I see, and we'll see how many there are in this trip of ours. Boom, Greg's. That's another Greg's. So Sid said that the library used to be there. But now it's here. It says University Library, and right in front is the student union, and there's some restaurants, and also like sometimes there are like concerts and things like that there. And yeah, those buildings are also part of the university. Where can you sit here? What do people do here? Just hang out. This is the sports central. Apparently there is a indoor swimming pool and some gym facilities and a bunch of sports stuff. So this is where Sid lived. It's a student housing, and yeah, it looks familiar because I googled it when we were together and we were doing long distance. So yeah, I'm so cold and the wind is blowing in my face, so my face is frozen. There's another Greg's right opposite my Airbnb. For dinner, we ordered McDonald's because I wanted to try the McPlant, which is the vegan burger here. So I always want to try that. Let me just quickly show you. So this is a McSpicy. That's my McPlant over there. We have chicken tenders and cheesy garlic bites. Sounds good. The Uber Eats guy forgot our sauce, so we're gonna have to deal with that. So yeah, we're just going to chill and eat our McDonald's and rest the rest of the night. Tomorrow we have to wake up early for the wedding, and it's going to be a full day event, so we need to rest. And yeah.
Easier to love. If the sky is falling.
We just had a British pie here at this place called Red House. It was really good. It was better than I expected, and yeah, I had the Monster Chef chicken pie with chunky chips and mashed peas. It was really good. So.
Because I set up down on me. You'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality.
So it is now 6-ish, and we are here at Lisa's Park, which is next to St. James's St. James's Stadium? The football stadium. Oh, St. James's Park. And yeah, it's really bright and sunny today. And the only thing that's killing it is the wind, really. So I'm still really cold.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easy.
At the airport, we're going back to Paris, and we never got to try Greg's. I never got to try Greg's when we were here. So there's a Greg's at the airport, so we're going to get something. I got a sausage here. Is it good? It needs a sauce, like ketchup or chili or something, you know? I mean, it's okay as like you're at the airport, you don't have anything to eat, and it's kind of good, but I wouldn't eat it like every day kind of thing, you know? This is the fried chicken sandwich. I like this better than my sausage roll. Like, the sausage roll was quite good. It's just a little bland and like I kind of want to put a lot of chili sauce on it. But yeah, this sandwich is already much better. It's like has barbecue sauce, something like that. I also got cookie. It's like a Subway cookie. Let's see if it's better. It's like a really bland butter cookie.
Ja.
It's just like butter taste. Yeah.